But tension builds fast when officers spot a suspicious object inside the car and conflicting answers about ID and location start piling up. This stop quickly turns from calm conversation to a potential DUI arrest, with resistance brewing in the air.
On March 5, 2024, an officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for an obstructed license plate.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good. Can you roll down this back window, please?
There's a bunch of stuff that's gonna fall out, but
Oh, it will? Okay, okay. You can put it back up. You can put it back up. I couldn't see it. Your tint was so dark. There it goes. Do you have a driver's license on you? How you doing, sir?
This
Good.
one is expired. I do have a non-expired one.
Okay, sounds good.
It's just broken in half.
Yeah, that's fine. Sir, do you have an ID on you?
Yes, sir.
215, is there Canine in the cell phone?
I got you that for current training as P4. Try to get return 83.
34, they're too far off.
What did you say?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know what you have in your bag, and I feel very uncomfortable with you keep on digging in there. Do you mind not digging in your bag, please?
ID, of course.
I got you. So you do have a license, though?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir?
It's expired.
Okay, that's your ID? Okay, cool. So where are you from, ma'am?
California.
California? All right. You do have a California valid driver's license? Okay, you do? All right. You want to step out for me real quick? I want to figure out your driver's license situation, okay?
Why do you need
Because I want you to step out of the car. You're not going to? 215, another unit. Refusing to step out of the vehicle. You ain't going to step out of the vehicle?
Why can't I stay in the car for you to look up my license? Excuse me.
Here, the officer's tone shifts from routine to firm. Asking the driver to step out is standard under Pennsylvania vs. Mims, a Supreme Court ruling allowing it for safety reasons. But refusal to comply can escalate fast. What would you have done in this situation? Comply or question the order?
Step out of the vehicle. I ain't playing this game. Just do what? Step out. Step out. Hands behind your back. Keep your hands behind your back. Face it from the door. Come here. You got weapons on you? Come on. Take a seat. Take a seat. Step out of the vehicle. Put your hands behind your back. You're just being detained, okay?
Okay,
I appreciate your cooperation.
all right. I'm just along for the ride.
I got you. Who's she to you?
She's a friend, and
Sit back. You got any weapons on you?
no, sir.
Careful, pat you down, bud.
You can pat me down all you want. The guy I work with,
Yeah, 10-4, you can downgrade, but I'm gonna need another unit.
it's his normal friend. And
She's a girlfriend.
yeah, it's his girlfriend.
Other than that BB gun, is there anything?
There's nothing.
Any illegal narcotics?
No, sir.
Officer,
Huh?
may I see your ID?
Like my
Your badge and your ID?
Yeah, sure. You want to speak to a lieutenant?
Oh, yes. I'd like to see your ID.
You want to speak to a lieutenant?
Listen closely. This is where things unravel. The officer smells alcohol, spots what looks like a gun, and announces a DUI arrest. It turns out to be a BB gun, but the damage is done. Moments like these show how perception can instantly shift the tone of an encounter.
Lieutenant Nash, he wants to speak with you.
Show me your badge.
No, you're not stepping.
Badge and your ID.
No, you're not stepping out, okay?
Show me your badge and your ID.
She's trying to, Samantha. She's trying to.
Samantha,
I would like to see his badge and his ID.
first of all,
He,
no, listen,
no.
listen. All right, then you're gonna
Your ID?
go to
Can
jail.
I see your ID as well?
My ID's right here.
Let me see it.
You're about to go to jail. I'm trying to talk you out of going to jail.
You're required to show me your.
There, you see it?
That's a government ID?
You happy?
Yeah?
All right.
I'm gonna go. Badge number.
Diesel 30.
I don't have a badge number. California. Yeah, you ain't in California. Ain't in California. My radio number's 25. You good? All right.
1026 of 22.
He's gonna read your Miranda warning.
Okay.
Okay. Totally talking yourself into going to jail.
Do you know what Miranda is?
She did not ever.
Do you know what Miranda is?
No, I do not.
My reason was stay back. The reason why I pulled you, and I'll explain the reason why I pulled you over too. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You also have the right to stop answering. You,
Your ass in
not
fucking moving. You have the right to not answer questions.
you,
You have the right to put your hands on me.
can I finish this? Yeah, I do.
I have
You will still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand, Miranda?
Can you read it one more time?
Do you understand, Miranda?
Can you read it one more time, please? I didn't quite get all that.
Yeah, sure. Because you were moving. What you need to do
because I'm
is stop talking and sit there.
It takes me a while to understand
Okay.
everything you just said. Can you
Okay.
say it one more time, please?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
All right, I'll say it one more time for you.
Please.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice.
She can go to jail. She can go to jail.
And to have him or her with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand, Miranda?
I'd have to answer that, but yes.
Okay, yes, you do understand, Miranda.
May I please get out of the car?
Okay, no, you're gonna sit right there. I can smell alcohol coming off of you. I saw a Red Ryder BB gun. You refused to step out of the vehicle. Pennsylvania v. Mims is case law where I can ask you to step out of the vehicle. Huh?
I had one drink earlier today. Maybe that's why you smell it. That's a BB gun. It's not mine.
Okay, sweet. So you're admitting drinking alcohol.
Hush.
Just wait. Let me finish, and then I'll let you talk. I pulled you over because you don't have a tag attached to the outside of your vehicle that's displayed outside the vehicle. Okay.
You can't see it right
So I smell alcohol. I don't know what she said. I don't know. I smell the alcohol.
But you can't see it. It's covered up because I'm moving right now.
Yeah, in the state of Florida, you have to have registration on a motor vehicle on the outside of the vehicle, on the rear of the vehicle. Okay.
I was not aware of that.
So I can smell the alcohol. I saw the front grip of what I thought to be a firearm. It was a BB gun. You refused to step out of the vehicle. I am going to take you to jail, okay? And I'm going to do a DUI investigation on you as well, okay? And if you want to do that, you can. That's entirely okay, and that's fine. But you're going to jail regardless, okay?
Jail for what?
For resisting without violence. I'm still getting back on your driver's license. I'm not still on that.
Your proof of identification. How are you able
I didn't have to. Resisting without violence, and I'm going to charge you with DUI, okay?
to trust anybody who comes up to us?
We're in uniform.
What am I driving? What am I driving?
All right. Well, that can be your argument in court then. That'll be a good one.
Is there anything illegal inside the vehicle?
No.
Okay, is there anyone within like 15 minutes can come pick your vehicle up?
That's fine. It'll be towed.
I choose to not answer any of your questions.
Sweet.
It's towed.
Inventory.
Oh, please, man. No, but more stuff if you're not going to.
That's the only way I can come back. That's my ride home.
Your vehicle's getting towed, and if you can't, huh? I already showed you ID. No, we're done with that. We're done with that. You obviously know we're cops. You want to play silly games, you get to go to jail. And you don't want to figure out what to do with your vehicle, it's getting towed. And every day you don't get it, it's going to be a fee in the impound lot. So good luck trying to get that out. You don't need to see his ID.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
By law, you were required
Move
to show
your-
me ID.
Move your damn
No.
foot.
You don't put your freaking hands on me.
I said
By law,
move your
he's
foot.
required. He's
By
required.
law, you don't know what you're talking about. Where was that?
Sitting right beside him.
Ain't mine.
Of course it's not.
Oh man, that ain't
Mr.
got nothing
Thomas.
to do with me.
Mr. Thomas. Do you know what Miranda is? Just
I'm sorry, man. I'm just.
hang out here with this lieutenant. I wonder if this was loaded. Oh, yeah, it's got BBs in there. Does Samantha have a valid license? Kiwi Peach, Simply Spiked, contains alcohol.
10-4 valid.
I'm gonna give her a ticket for an open container too.
100%.
She was doing 56 in front of me in a 45.
Then we get caught by the police.
Tom, is this your phone?
Yeah, that's the only thing mine is that phone up there.
Okay. Good nine.
I know.
May I exercise my right as a sovereign citizen to be released from the car?
Hey, Sarge. She wants to exercise her right as a sovereign citizen to exit the car.
Why?
No, Samantha, you're going to jail for multiple charges. I can explain to you later. Do you have anything on you or in you that I couldn't search or I couldn't feel whenever I patted you down? Yes or no?
I'd like to exercise my Miranda right.
Okay, just FYI, this is excluding Miranda. Miranda does not involve this. You are going to jail 100%. If you go into the jail and you have something in you or on you, whenever they're in the jail with you, you're gonna get charged for introduction.
Miranda does not apply.
Okay, but I'm just letting you know, so now you understand.
Come on.
In the end, what began as an obstructed plate stop spiraled into a DUI arrest and multiple charges. This case is a reminder that clear communication and compliance can be the difference between a citation and custody. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.